All right, in this question, it says a cylindrical stainless steel column is used to hide a ventilation system in a building. According to the specs, the diameter of the column can be between 30 centimeters and 95 centimeters. The height is to be 500. What's the difference between the volume of the largest and smallest possible columns? And so you're just going to basically have you're going to have two cylinders. And so they both have the same height, and one of them has a diameter of 30, and so that one is 30, and the other has a diameter of 95. But they have the same height. Both of the heights are 500. And so we're just going to kind of draw two cylinders here, 500 for the height of both, and the diameter over here is 95. So you just need to calculate the volume of each of these. And so volume of a cylinder is big B times H, and the base is a circle, and so we're really filling in the formula for area of a circle for big B. So it's pi r squared times H equals the volume, and you're going to do that 2 times. You're going to do it once with a radius of 15, and you're going to do it again with a radius of half of 95 is 47.5. So you're going to use a radius of 15 and a radius of 47.5, and in the end it says what's the difference, so you're going to subtract them.